Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make split pea and ham soup. Oh man, you don't like split pea soup? Oh, you're going to love homemade split pea soup. And it's easy to make, and it gives you a reason to save a ham bone from your Easter or Christmas ham. So the first thing you want to do is dice up 3 celery sticks and 3 carrots, followed by mincing up 2 garlic cloves, and then dicing 1 yellow onion. After you do that, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to a stock pot and put the burner on medium and add the celery, the carrots, and the onions. Go ahead and keep the garlic on the side for now. We're going to add that later. Next, you want to add 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. Alright, so go ahead and cook everything for about 10 minutes on medium temp. And onions are going to turn translucent around 10 minutes, and that's when you want to add the garlic and cook for about another 2 minutes. Next, you want to wash the split peas and check for rocks. It says that on the bag, so do that. Then add the peas to your stock pot and add 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water, and stir it up. Next, add the ham bone, increase the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Then reduce it to medium-low and cook for an hour. And then after that, remove the ham bone. Next, you'll need an immersion blender, and you want to run it for about a minute to puree the peas. And next we're going to add 2 cups of diced ham, and then we're going to stir it up and cook for another half hour. So the 2 cups of diced ham was set aside from the original piece of ham where this ham bone came from. Now you could get away with just using the meat that comes off of the ham bone, like Man is doing here, cutting it off with a paring knife. But honestly, the meat off the bone is not enough. You definitely want to add a little bit more. So along with saving the ham bone, be sure and save a couple slices of ham for the soup. Alright, so Man's going to add this ham back into the soup, and this ham's already cooked pretty well, so we're just going to do another half hour, and it's going to be ready. Now, if you're keeping track, that's about 2 hours of total cook time for this soup. And to some people, that might seem like a lot. And yes, we've gotten those comments on some of our other soup videos. Well, here's the deal. Homemade soup takes time, but you know what? Most of that time is the soup cooking while you're doing nothing. But hey, if you're stuck at home from a pandemic or maybe a world war, make some soup. Take a look at that soup. It's nice and chunky. You got the chunks of carrots, you got the ham. Food porn flyover. Man, that soup's so chunky you'll need a fork to eat it. Oh, where have I heard that before? Anyway, we hope you try this recipe. It's pretty easy, it just takes time. And, if you're in the middle of a pandemic lockdown, all you got is time. So now if you ever cooked a ham with a bone in it, save that bone. There's no reason to throw it out. This is what you can do with it every time. I mean, this is a simple couple dollars to add these ingredients. I mean, just why not? Really, why not? Oh, and by the way, this tastes so much better than anything you'll buy in a can. Now, to top things off, you need New York croutons in Texas style. I don't know, it's confusing. But croutons are required. Yes! Do this. And now it's time to taste. Man's gonna get a spoonful. Oh, look at that. Ooh, why don't you lick your screen and taste it? Oh, what? You couldn't taste it? You tasted nothing? will upgrade your device. You know that's coming one day. Tasty screens. Yeah, it's going to happen. And you will enjoy these videos much more, and all of you are going to subscribe. I can see it happening. So thanks for watching this video. Click like, subscribe, check out our website, manthat'scooking.com.